Okay, let's jump right into this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I just want to give you three main reasons why I believe that this Maga Box MG6 Max is a perfect device for beginners. So there's three reasons. Number one is the box itself. And what do I mean by that? This device is simple. Look at the home page. There's nothing, I wouldn't say nothing to it, but if you got the apps at the top, you got the recommended by the, let me go to the second one. You have the recommended here by the vendor. You have an app store that gives you other apps that you'll see at the top. Plenty of things for you to do and see as a beginner. It's very easy to set up. It's very easy to maintain. It gives you not only a file browser or a factory reset, which when you do that, it goes back to the factory settings, but it gives you a chance to delete the apps. But main thing, it also gives you a clear memory. So if you needed to clear the memory out of your device, it'll get rid of all the packages and things that you're using. It'll get rid of them like that. So that's good to have there. Another good reason for this device is why it's good for beginners is because of this here. So if we go to device preferences, if we go down to storage, you will see that there's plenty of memory. That's 120 gigabytes of external storage, or of storage that you can put different applications on or whatever it might be. As you go through the date and time, you can look at the Google Assistant, the screensaver. Those are pretty normal. But as a beginner streamer, you want to make sure that everything seems easy. If you've never streamed before, you don't want to be overwhelmed with different packages, different processes. You just want it to play. And this thing is literally plug and play, and China does not disappoint. The manufacturer gives you plenty of options, from this live TV here, this movie app, this replay app, favorite apps. It has plenty of application, and you can see that I've installed my own VPN. So the number one reason this is a great box for beginners is the box itself. Let's take a look at number two. So number two, the main reason is the content, okay? Is the content itself. So you have live Maga here, which I'm going to go ahead and open up and blur out. And as we go ahead and blur this out, you're going to see that it's going to connect rather quickly. Now I'm going to leave enough space so you can see that I'm on the weather channel. And if I'm going to open up the weather channel, let's look at the picture real quick. You can see that the picture is very, very clear. Also, it has a great EPG. When you press the EPG, that stands for Electronic Programming Guide, it is going to open up and give you great information from there. But I just want to point out that if I hit the menu button, I can even record on this device on the things I'm watching. And it will store it on it will store it in the internal storage in the download folder. I'll make another video about that. But this device, I found out, does record. So it gives you not only so much information, so much content, that a beginner will absolutely love this device. Now, I'm going to show this in another video because I want to begin on YouTube, but I'm going to put a link in the description so you can see the full Monty of whatever this has. Okay, so you have live TV, you have these two devices here that are two apps that are recommended. If I go to the top, you'll see also there's the Play Store, there's another app here, a local app, YouTube, downloader, and even my Proton VPN. So the number two reason why this is a great device for beginners is the content. It comes ready to go with all the content. Now let's look at the final one. Number three is customer support. And what I mean by that, if you come down to contact us, you can get a hold of them. They'll give you a WhatsApp customer service or an email customer service. If you purchase one of these from myself or anyone that resells these, I will always offer some type of customer support, tech support around the hardware. But after a year, when it comes to the software or the content inside, I make it very clear. I don't control any, or anyone doesn't control any of this content. In fact, if you're thinking about purchasing something like this, it'll be good for you to make sure that you understand the laws in your area when it comes to streaming media. I have done my research, and I understand that a customer has 100% not only responsibility, but it's legal for them to stream on any device because they own that device. Once you purchase the device, it is yours to keep. It is no longer the resellers or the manufacturers. So we make that very, very clear. But my goodness, at least you have this WhatsApp and the email customer service so you can get a hold of them so they can answer those questions. The last thing I like about it is it allows me to sideload the utility apps that I love the most. For instance, I have my Proton VPN. I am connected to a VPN, which means I am connected and making sure that my privacy is intact. I don't put any banking information on this device. I keep all of that off, but nevertheless, I like having a private internet access, or I should say a VPN, a virtual private network, because that way I can connect and do what I want to do on my device without any limitations, so to speak. So this is the Maga M6, the Maga Mg6 Max. I believe it's one of the best and perfect devices for a beginner streamer. You can't miss it. You can't mess it up. In fact, even when you factory reset this device, it will go back to factory settings. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video on this platform, but I will make sure to give you instructions so you can see what the full Monty looks like, what this device has under the hood, and you can decide if you like to purchase something like this. There's other people that can point you in the right direction, but we will make it easy for you to purchase from maybe an affiliate link that we have with the manufacturer so you can get a great price. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do your research on this device, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. I will make sure I give you that information, and have a great weekend.